ฝากไว้ที่จุ๋มให้ที่เกศนะครับ
อุ้ยระวัง
เฉียดกูนิดเดียวเอง
You know I hate to hurt you, I hate to see your pain, but I don't know how to stop, I don't know how to stop.
So we have a question here from an anonymous listener, and she says, they say that your 7th year of marriage is the hardest. Why? Is that true?
Зацепил машину, спугнул. Блядь! А там нет
Ёб
никого.
твою мать. Ёб твою мать.
Happening. Dear hospital, yeah, legally, this is hospital.
God damn it!
Dear hospital.
Go! 我的行车记录器好恐怖哦！
Твою мать.
Есть. Этот виноват. На газели.
М406 МТ.
На газели виноват.
Давай спросим, может помощь нужна. А куда газель-то поехала?
Вон она убегает. Она убегает, газель.
Сезон. Премьера 20 августа в 21:30 на ТНТ. Для детей старше 16 лет. Камеди Радио и телеканал ТНТ представляют стендап.
Oh my goodness.
О, shit, shit, shit!
Знаете, как устроена система?
Oh shit.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Shit, shit.
Something happened to our car too?
Oh, you fucking dumbass!
오! 사고 났어.
I guess I could do this tribute later, like tomorrow.
Sure.
I got some good clips.
Today's the actual 30th anniversary?
Yeah, today is the actual.
Usually do a swirl, but they get my youngest, and
Oh,
this is the
God.
weirdest thing. In addition to, his name's Crockett, in addition to blue ice cream and maybe red or yellow, based purely.
차사하게 내매구나. 바꿔볼라게. 뭐냐 이거?
Came to my dashboard, and it's easy to compare them. Thumbs up if I like them, thumbs down if I didn't. No emails and attachments, printing up docs, phone calls.
Не, ну там хуйня, да, крюк, ерунда.
Это твои головы.
Ох ты, блядь!
Ух ты, захуя.
Ёб твою мать!
Блядь. Tem mais dois ou não? Ô, o senhor tá acabando com o carro dos outros? O senhor tá doido?